everyone, it's Lauren from avisualmerriment.com. Well, Halloween is coming up very soon, so I've put together a little Halloween table decor for you to get your spook on. Now, I love the tackiness that Halloween brings just as much as the next person does, but sometimes you've got to be an adult about these things, so I thought I'd bring in a little sophistication with the glass cloche decor. I'm surprised I actually said that correctly. Anyway, once lit up, the sparkle of the rose gold glitter pumpkins is delightful. You're going to love it. Just a quick side note too, those Halloween wall art prints that you see in the video are actually available for free download from the avisualmerriment.com freebies library. So head over there and grab those for yourself too. Enough of me talking, let's get into it.